Today in maths, we are going to study giant footprints. What it means that we are going to measure or we are going to guess which is longer and which is shorter. This is comparison between two things, longer or shorter. We are making comparison between two things. In this lesson, we are going to compare two things. Here are two pencils in our vocabulary words. Longer, shorter. We have to understand two words, longer and shorter. Shorter is a comparative degree between two things. We are comparing two things. Like this in feathers, we are comparing the feathers with each other. Longer and shorter. This you have to understand, longer and shorter. The things which are long, other is called, this is longer, which is shorter. The thing which is shorter or smaller, we say it shorter than the other. It's the easy topic that we are going to study. If we measure with the ruler to know the length of our footprint, when we put a foot and we cut it with the pencil, the paper with the pencil, and this is our footprint. These are for the kids and these are for his parents. We are making comparison between them. Understand, boys? Longer and shorter. When we make comparison between two things, we use this comparative form, ER, longer or shorter. Okay, how long is your footprint? After the class, you can use a ruler to measure your footprint and your dad's footprint. How long is the giant's footprint? Now measure this with the ruler and you are going to know the giant footprint is bigger. Elders have longer footprint, whereas the kids have shorter footprint. Okay, so you have to measure these footprints. Okay, now we have longest and shortest. Longest, when we are talking about one thing, we use EST with the word longest. This pencil is longest, means there is no other pencil which is longer than this. So we use longest. Shortest means there is no other pencil that is shorter than this pencil. So shortest. This pencil is shortest. Longest and shortest. Do you understand this, boys? What is the longest means? Longest means when we longer and shorter we use when we are making comparison between two things, but longest and shortest means we are not making comparison, we are just saying that it is the longest. There is no other pencil that is longer than This, it is the longest one. Pencil, that is the longest. And shortest, he is the shortest boy in the class, means his height is shorter from his classmates. Okay, let's solve a worksheet for your more understanding. Wait, let me open the worksheet. Tall and short. When we are making the comparison, we use these words. This boy is tall and he is short, shorter from this one. Strong and thin. He is strong man and this man is thin. Long and short. The length of this rope is long, and the length of this rope is shorter than this rope. Small and big. This is a big tiger, whereas this is the small tiger. Big tiger and baby tiger, you can say. Short or tall? Short. This is short. Zebra is tall. Short or long tail? The dog has long tail, whereas a rabbit have short tail. Big or small? Panda is big and bird is small. Strong and thin. The man is strong and this man is thin. Okay, boys, let's solve the worksheet. See the first question. Answer the question by circling the correct picture. Which is longer? The snake is longer. Which snake is longer? So we are going to circle the longest snake. Here, this snake is longer. Which is shorter? This crocodile is shorter or the upper one is shorter. So circle. Which has shorter ears? You don't have to see the animal, you have to see their ears. The dog has the shortest ear. Which has a longer legs? Flamingo or cat? Flamingo has a longer legs, right? Okay. Which has a longer tail? They're talking about the tail. So the mouse has a longer tail. Which has a longer neck? Duck or an ostrich? Ostrich has a longer neck. Okay. Now let's see, this is your homework, boys. Complete this sheet as your homework. Okay.